Hello, happy new year. Welcome back, my Lux babes. That's what I'm calling you guys. Those that keep coming back, those that are subscribers, welcome back, Lux babes, and welcome to Living Lux on Half the Bucks with me, Tiffany. And I am here again, putting together the next part of this video. First part, you saw me cutting everything. This is the second part, part 2, where I'm putting all the stickers that I cut out and arranging them in my happy planner for the week. Obviously you can see this is an older clip, so due to some outside delays, that's why it's taking me a little bit to put this up here, but better late than never. So you see me arranging the stickers and getting everything set up here. So we're just watching pretty much. But I want to say Happy New Year's again, and thank you all for everyone tuning in. I pray that everyone had a peaceful and wonderful holiday season, and welcome to 2023. Now that it's 2023, for some reason I feel like the heat is on. I don't know if that's just me, but comment below if you're feeling the same thing. 2023 has me feeling like boosted, ready to go, kicking something into high gear now. So that's where I'm at, but let me know if that's where y'all mind's at for 2023. But let's talk about this printable right here. The printable that I'm using, if you saw the last video, then you already know what I'm using. But if you haven't and you're just turning in, this is from an Etsy shop called Pink Planet Designs. And I'll leave in the description box below, I'll leave her shop link and the link for this particular template. Had to think about that. But now leave it in the description box below, because the good thing about these, once you buy them, you just store them. You can download them to your computer or whatever. If you even have an external file, then you can store it there and then bring it back out when, you know, it comes around that time for the season. Or if you always want to feel like it's Christmas in your planner, then interchange it on inside your planner as well. But I'll leave all that in the description box below and the tools that I used. And as you saw in the very first part of the video, I had scissors and an X-Acto knife. I used that to help, as you can see, try to maneuver the sticky part from the paper part. And I did bring out my trimmer, but I don't really need that in this one because I've already did the big trimming part. Really, it's just using the scissors and the X-Acto knife to start cutting things down into size, as you see me doing now. But towards the end, my camera kind of cut off, so you're not able to see every little thing towards the end. But I will show you how everything looks at the end though, so I'll show that part once everything is all put together. But please leave a like, share, and subscribe. Subscribing, I have some other things that I'm going to be posting up here. I said that last time. I am in my pathway of doing it, where I'm going to show the 2023 planner that I purchased, and I got some new stickers, and I've already started working inside the planner. And I have some budget-friendly stickers too, because you know, if you don't use a coupon and you go into Michael's, Joann's Fabric, or Hobby Lobby without a coupon, price of stickers can be a little bit. That's all I'm gonna say. It can be a little harsh. I just say that. So I found some budget-friendly stickers, and I'm gonna try it out. Actually, I did try it out today. I kind of felt like it was a fail, but that's neither here or there. We'll talk about that when that gets here. But talking a little bit about this printable. She makes amazing designs. Again, the shop name is Pink Planet Designs. I love how she does things with her printables. She makes it super easy. Like the layout is just already, you know, it's almost like you don't even have to think about how you want to lay it out. She just lays it out perfectly for you. So that's why I keep coming back to her. But I do have some other shops that I will be showcasing as well. And comment below if you know any shops that are for happy planners and they are printables, or even if they're not printables and they're good for happy planners, let me know. Comment down below, because I'm on the hunt for them. I'm even considering buying a sticker pack. Like, they're already cut, let's just say that they're already kind of like, well, pretty much like you go to Michael's, but it's just for 1 week. And on Etsy, some of the shops are charging 21, anywhere from $18, $22 for the whole kit, and that's not including shipping. Shipping might be like $3.75, $4. I'm considering it, but hey, anything's possible. I gotta showcase them all. I want to showcase everything because everybody's different. So that'll be something that may be coming down the works. But if you guys know any other sticker shops or anything like that, please comment down below, because I definitely like to hear, you know, other shops I could showcase on my channel. So one more thing, because this video I try to make it as short as possible to kind of keep me from rambling, but I just want to say really quick to all of those that are considering doing something, you know, getting your happy planner together, or you got a happy planner, don't have any stickers, or even if you feel like you're not the most organized or prepared person, you know, to do something like a happy planner, or you can't keep up with a happy planner, or you know, you feel like you got a planner one time and you just can't keep up with it. To those that have felt any of those type of ways, I would say just try it and do it. When I first got my happy planner, I did have a pack of stickers, but I didn't know technically how to arrange everything. And if you feel like you're not the most organized person, or you're not a prepared person, that's fine. I would say look at this as almost like a living journal for yourself of different things that you do have to do in your mind, and just build off of that. And the stickers come into play for me, and it might be for others, because it's kind of encouraging to keep you going, something just to keep you going to do it, and it makes you excited when you look at it. So don't be discouraged if you feel like, oh, I'm not the best at planning. It doesn't have anything to do with that. It's just all about you just trying to keep things together, or trying to keep a mindful thing of what you need to do to keep things together. So I would say stay encouraged. If you're thinking about it, just try it. See how you like it. See if it works for you. If you like it better without stickers, then that's a good thing too, because sometimes stickers can clutter a lot of space. And I am going to try that out on a couple of videos. Well, quite a bit of videos. I'm going to try that of less stickers. Less can be more, because I have more writing space. But if anybody, you know, has any questions or anything like that, you can email me or comment down below, and I definitely answer any questions. But I thank you so much again for all of you guys watching. Stay blessed, relax, have fun with it, and I will see you again on my next video. Love you guys, and bye.